Hello, David. Welcome to my home. It's been such a long time since we met.
Hello, John. Yes, it's been months. Your house looks beautiful.
Thank you. Please come in and make yourself comfortable.
Sure. Oh, I like the way you arrange the living room.
I tried to keep it simple and cozy. Would you like some tea or coffee?
Tea would be perfect. I really enjoy tea in the evening.
All right, I'll prepare tea. Meanwhile, tell me how you are doing these days.
I'm doing fine. Work keeps me busy, but I try to relax on weekends.
That's good. Do you still work at the same company?
Yes, I do, but now I handle bigger projects. It's challenging, but exciting.
Wow, that sounds great. What kind of projects are you working on?
Mostly software development. We design applications for schools and offices.
Interesting. Technology is changing everything. Even my kids use apps for homework.
Exactly. Digital learning is the future. By the way, how are your kids?
They are doing well. My son is in high school and my daughter just started college.
That's wonderful. Time flies so fast. I still remember when they were small.
Yes, I feel the same. Life moves quickly.
True, and how is your wife?
She is fine. She's busy with her work and also takes care of the family.
That's nice. Family support is very important.
Absolutely. Without family, life feels incomplete.
I agree. By the way, this tea is delicious. You make it really well.
Thank you. I always add ginger. It gives a nice flavor.
Yes, I can taste it. It's refreshing.
So, do you travel often for work?
Yes, sometimes. Last month I went to Delhi for a conference.
How was it?
It was good. I met many professionals and learned new ideas.
That's useful. Networking helps a lot in career growth.
Exactly. And what about you, John? How is your work going?
I'm doing fine. I recently started a new project at the office.
That's great. What kind of project is it?
It's related to marketing. We are planning a new campaign for our products.
Sounds exciting. Marketing is all about creativity.
Yes, and it requires teamwork too.
True. Teamwork makes everything easier.
By the way, do you remember our old school days?
Of course, those were the best days. We had so much fun together.
Yes, playing football, studying late at night and laughing at silly jokes.
Haha, yes, those memories are priceless.
I miss those times. Life was simple back then.
Indeed. But we should be happy with the present too.
You are right. Every stage of life has its own beauty.
Exactly, and I'm glad we are still good friends.
Me too. Friendship is one of the greatest gifts.
Well said, John.
Thank you, David. I'm happy you came today.
I'm happy too. Let's meet more often.
Yes, we should. Next time, bring your family along.
Sure, they would love to visit.
Great. So, let's plan a dinner soon.
That's a wonderful idea. I'll check my schedule and let you know.
Perfect. I'll be waiting.
All right, John. I should leave now. Thank you for the tea and the lovely time.
You're welcome, David. Take care and see you soon.
See you, John. Goodbye.